Hello, this is Sergey from ProperSoft, and today I will show you how to convert a QFX file to QIF format and import into Quicken 2017 on Windows. We will use QFX2QIF utility, and you can download it at propersoft.net. Once downloaded and installed, start QFX2QIF and select a QFX file. Review transactions before converting. Make sure you can convert in correct QFX file. Set the QIF target to match your accounting software. Set the account name to match the account name you have in Quicken. Set the account type. And to create a QIF file, click the Convert button and confirm the file name and the file location. Now switch to Quicken, and to import a QIF file, select File, File Import, QIF file. Select the QIF file you just created. For Quicken 2017, you must select all accounts. For Quicken 2014, same thing, you have to select all accounts. For Quicken 2018 or 19 or later, you have to select actual account in the list. Click the Import button to import transactions. And transactions are important now. You can review them, you can accept them all, and they are inside Quicken now. Thank you for watching.